Sceye, the stratospheric balloon. Revolutionizing the world, Sceye is an innovative solar-powered airship hovering at 60,000 feet in the stratosphere, behaving like a tethered, high-tech balloon with unparalleled capabilities. In contrast to the free-flying balloons blown around by the wind, Sceye can remain positioned over designated sites for long periods of time, providing vital services such as fast-speed internet connectivity to rural regions, disaster detection in real time, and climate data gathering. Composed of an ultra-thick, gas-tight body and powered by the sun, it's constantly on the move, day and night, refueling-free and ground support-free. Supported by the likes of NASA, Sceye leads a new era in sustainable high-altitude technology that closes the gap between satellites and ground infrastructure.
What if your car could take off at the push of a button? Meet the XPeng land aircraft carrier, a bold leap into the future of travel. This isn't your typical ride. It's a high-tech hybrid that merges rugged off-road power with next-level aerial capability. With a 6x6 all-wheel drive system, rear-wheel steering, and a sleek 3-axle build, it handles city streets and dirt trails like a pro. But here's the twist. Onboard sits a detachable flying module. With one-touch separation, it transforms from road warrior to airborne explorer in seconds. Powered by an 800 volts high-voltage system, it delivers up to 1,000 miles on land and recharges the flight module on the go. Inside, it seats up to 5 comfortably, blending luxury with function. Safety systems, futuristic design, and smart controls make it feel more like piloting a ship than driving a car. The XPeng land aircraft carrier isn't just a vehicle, it's a launchpad for the future of mobility. Because when the road ends, your journey shouldn't. What if one aircraft could do it all? Fly fast, land almost anywhere, and fit in your garage. Meet the Manta ANN2. This hybrid electric marvel is built for versatility. With a cruising speed of 300 km per hour and up to 1,000 km of range, it combines power and efficiency in a sleek, tandem two-seater. Its lightweight carbon composite body, V-tail, and canard wings aren't just for show, they boost aerodynamic performance and agility. Equipped with 8 electric ducted fans, 4 fixed, 4 tilting, the AN2 handles both vertical takeoff and traditional runway flight. The hybrid power system blends onboard generators with batteries, and it's ready for sustainable aviation fuel. It's packed with safety tech too. Fly-by-wire controls, a HODS interface, and a full ballistic parachute. Modular design means it can be quickly taken apart for transport or repairs, making it as practical as it is advanced. From medevac missions to rescue ops or daily hops between towns, the AN2 is redefining what a personal aircraft can do. It's not just about flying, it's about flying smarter. What if breaking the sound barrier didn't have to break the silence? Meet NASA's X-59, the jet that whispers at supersonic speeds. Unlike traditional supersonic aircraft, the X-59 is built to fly fast without the earth-shaking boom. Cruising at Mach 1.4, that's around 925 miles per hour, at 55,000 feet, it replaces the deafening shockwave with a gentle thump. That's thanks to its ultra-slim 99-foot frame and a needle-like 38-foot nose designed to sculpt shockwaves before they reach the ground. At its heart is a powerful F414GE100 engine, borrowed from fighter jets like the F/A-18 Super Hornet, but reimagined for smooth, quiet travel. The aircraft only hits about 75 decibels at ground level, about as loud as a car door closing. The X-59 is part of NASA's bold quest mission to change the future of air travel. By proving sonic booms can be tamed, it's paving the way for faster, quieter, overland flights to become reality. This isn't just the future of flight, it's the sound of progress. What if your next commute felt more like piloting a jet than riding a bike? Meet the UDX Airwolf, a high-powered hover bike built for the skies. This electric VTOL beast delivers 430 horsepower through 4 tilting ducted fans, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. With a top speed of 142 miles per hour, it's not just fast, it's fierce. The carbon fiber chassis isn't just for looks either, it's designed like a wing, providing nearly half the lift during flight for improved efficiency. Weighing in at just 639 pounds, the Airwolf can carry 2 passengers and cruise for up to 25 minutes, covering around 41 miles. And despite its futuristic vibe, it's grounded in smart engineering, balancing speed, agility, and eco-conscious performance. This isn't a drone, it's not just a bike. It's a whole new category of personal mobility. For those bold enough to fly solo through the future, Airwolf is your ride.
A-200 Aerobase. The A-200 Aerobase is an emerging next-gen Russian military airship design to serve as a mobile aerial base for UAVs and drones. One of the ambitious Aerosmina project developments, the A-200 Aerobase airship intends to transform airborne operations by interfacing huge payload capacity with extended flight duration. Designed to transport as much as 200 tons of drones, gear, and supplies, the A-200 would enable persistent low-altitude reconnaissance, surveillance, and battlefield support missions. While still on the drawing board, the A-200 is a revolutionary leap toward multi-mission airborne platforms that combine mobility, autonomy, and stamina for military and civilian use. Boeing Pelican Ultra, the giant cargo plane that never took to the skies. The Boeing Pelican Ultra was an innovative concept airplane created in the early 2000s by Boeing Phantom Works that was to be the largest cargo plane ever designed. As a ground effect plane, or ekranoplan, it would take off and land just above the ocean surface, relying on aerodynamic lift generated by the ground effect to enhance fuel efficiency and carrying capacity. With a 500-foot, 152-meter wingspan and the ability to haul a whopping 1,400 tons of payload, almost 10 times what the C-5 Galaxy can carry, the Pelican Ultra would have outgunned the An-225 Maria. It could cruise at 300 miles per hour, Mach 0.4, at low altitude, or cruise at 20,000 feet for long-distance cross-country flights. The Pelican was intended to revolutionize military logistics and ultra-heavy transport. Nevertheless, owing to technical difficulties, excessive expenses, and changing defense priorities, the project never got past the planning stages. Nevertheless, the Pelican Ultra is one of the most ambitious and visionary aircraft projects in the history of aviation. E-Copter. The E-Copter is a groundbreaking electric air taxi and personal aerial vehicle, PAV, that will revolutionize urban transport. Fly Now Aviation designed the single-seat aircraft for effective, environmentally friendly transportation within cities and suburbs. At only 360 kilograms maximum takeoff weight, the E-Copter has the capacity to transport both people and light loads. Its electric power system is zero CO2 emission friendly, providing a green solution to conventional helicopters. With a maximum speed of 130 kilometers per hour and flight time of 30 minutes per charge, it provides a convenient and quick way to outsmart traffic jams. Small, silent, and future-proof, the E-Copter is the next era in clean urban air mobility. JetZero Z4, the plane that will change air travel. The JetZero Z4 is a next-generation aircraft poised to revolutionize the future of aviation. Unlike traditional planes, the Z4 features a blended wing-body design, where the wings and fuselage merge into a seamless, futuristic aerodynamic form. This breakthrough boosts fuel efficiency by up to 50%, significantly cuts emissions, and enables ultra-long-range flights of up to 5,000 nautical miles. Inside, the Z4 can comfortably carry around 250 passengers in a cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a conventional aircraft. backed by major names like United Airlines, Delta, and even the US Air Force. The JetZero Z4 is slated for its first full-scale flight by 2027 and could be Beyond Aero BYA-1, the world's first hydrogen-electric business jet. Here comes the BYA-1 by Beyond Aero, the first-ever hydrogen-electric business jet concept, designed to transform sustainable aviation, powered solely by a hydrogen fuel cell system. No batteries on board. The BYA-1 provides a robust 2.4 megawatts of clean electricity to twin electric ducted fans, with both power and zero emissions. Sleek, safe, and efficient, the BYA-1 will carry 6 to 8 passengers 800 nautical miles at 360 knots of speed.
What if flying felt like slicing through the sky in a private rocket? Meet the Stratosphere Volatile. This next-gen jet isn't just fast, it's fierce. Topping out at 1,200 km per hour with a smooth cruise at 950 km per hour, it turns long-haul trips into short escapes. And with a 3,000 km range, it's built for serious distance. But speed is just the start. The Volatile's ultra-light composite airframe and advanced propulsion system make it fuel-efficient and low-emission, redefining what green aviation can look like. Inside, it's all about comfort. Think room for 8 tailored interiors and climate control that adapts like it's reading your mind. Pilots benefit from a sleek digital flight system, layered safety protocols, and cutting-edge avionics that make every flight smooth and stress-free. The Stratosphere Volatile isn't just another jet, it's a bold statement in speed, style, and sustainability. Because the future of air travel shouldn't just be faster, it should be smarter. Because the future of air travel shouldn't just be faster, it should be smarter.